Hi everybody and welcome to a LightBurn Quick Tips. I'm going to call this one boolean masking. Basically it's going to be using the new boolean operators in LightBurn to mask or clip an image, make it conform to a particular shape. So let's get started here. So this is the LightBurn support group, and this question was brought up. They're working on a map that's square and they want to conform it to round. So let's see how we would do that. So let's copy the original image. And this was answered. I'm just giving you a quick walkthrough. And we're going to go ahead and paste it over here into LightBurn. Maybe. There it is. Okay. Paste it here into LightBurn. And so what I've got now is I've got an imported image, and I want to lay a circle over the top of this. Now you could do this with any particular shape you want. You could use the freeform polygon tool and lay some unique shape over it. Use your edit nodes to make things curvy. You can use circles, squares, whatever you want to do. Just to keep things simple, we will do this as a circle, as the original poster asked for. Okay, so first things first, if I were to grab this circle and the map itself, you'll see that the actual intersection Boolean operation I want is grayed out. The union and the subtraction also, the intersection is grayed out. The only thing available is weld, and weld's not going to do it in this case. In this case, weld's actually going to make pretty much everything disappear. And that's not the intent. So first thing I need to do is take my image, and I'm going to do Alt-T. You can also do Edit Trace, and I'm going to trace the image. So what that's going to do is give me a vectorized or a traced version of the image that I was dealing with before. So now if you see, when I select all of these, my operations are available. But before I do that, first things first is I want to take a copy of this, and I want to put this off to the side and just kind of leave it there for a minute. Now I can go ahead and select these. I'm going to do intersect, and just to show you, if I were to do union, for example, it's actually going to take the middle of the circle out, which is not what I want. Subtract would end up doing the same thing, but I want intersect. I want where these two images overlap each other, or these two objects overlap each other. Okay, so that gives me my clipped or masked version of what was behind it. So I want to put the circle, and the reason I did that is you'll notice that this has got some open area. So I want to put these two back over the top of each other. So let's go ahead and align center and align horizontal. Okay, so now we've got the line back around the outside, and then I want to take the map. Rather than tracing it with my laser, I want to actually scan that. So I'm going to make it a one of my normal scan colors here. There we go. And so now if I look at preview on this, you're going to see that I've got my scanned map on the inside, I've got my cut circle on the outside, and everything's happy. If I wanted to invert that, I could actually take a copy of this circle and offset that slightly. Now what am I doing? Offset, there we go. Offset that slightly, and now if I look at scan, it actually inverted my image. So just by putting that extra circle around the outside. But that's not what I want to do. So let's get rid of that and back to what I want. I want to scan the lines, cut the outside, and that's that. So like I said, you could do this with circles, squares, polygons of your choice, whatever you want to do. Just play around with the Boolean operators, your intersection, your subtraction, your union, and you can get some really cool results out of this. So hopefully that at least helps somebody out a little bit if you're ever trying to do a similar operation. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and hit subscribe down below. I know I have not been putting out videos as often as I'd like to lately. A lot of stuff going on for a lot of different reasons, but I hopefully can get back to this and get you guys in touch with some of the newer features that are in LightBurn. This is as of version 0802, which was just released in the last couple days. So once I get a chance to update some documentation and really dig my teeth into some of the new features, I'll create some more videos for you guys. So if you have any questions or want to discuss any of this, head on over to that LightBurn support forum on Facebook. Great group of guys, lots of topical conversations happening there. Use the search feature. Odds are, if you've run into it before, it's probably been, or if you've run into it, it's probably been asked once before and answered. Remember to check out the documentation. Keep an eye on the videos. And until next time, we'll talk to you guys later.